In this video, we'll show you how to use Grok AI to generate a professional sales dashboard. All you need is the data. With just one click, your complete dashboard, pivot tables, charts, KPI cards, and slicers will be ready automatically. Ready to see the magic? Let's get started. As you can see, this is a company sales dataset, but the data is not properly formatted. We've already provided a ready-made button for you. You can download the Excel file from the link in the video description and use this exact file for the tutorial. If you use a different file, the dashboard not work correctly. Now, open Google and search for Grok. Click the first official website. Once the Grok website opens, click Sign Up on the top right corner. Then click Sign Up with Google. Select your Google account and sign in. Now you'll see the Grok AI homepage. Now click Model Settings. You'll see the fast model available. This is the model we can use for free. Other advanced models may require a paid plan. So let's continue with the free model and build our dashboard. You'll find the master prompt used to generate the sales dashboard. If you need this prompt, you can download it from the link in the video description. Copy the complete prompt. Now go back to the Grok AI website. Paste the prompt into Grok and press Enter. Grok AI will analyze the requirements and generate the complete sales dashboard VBA code. Once the VBA code generation is finished, you'll see the copy option below the code. Click Copy. Now open the Excel file. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Click the Insert tab and select Module. Rename the module to Dashboard. Now paste the VBA code you copied from Grok. Once the code has been pasted, close the VBA editor. Now, right-click the button in the Excel sheet. Select Assign Macro. Choose Build Sales Dashboard and click OK. As you can see, we currently have only the data sheet. Now let's click the button and see what happens. Look at that! Everything needed for a complete dashboard is being created automatically, step by step. And there we go. The complete dashboard is ready. As you can see, 2 new sheets have been created automatically. If you're getting an error or a different result like the one shown in the image, make sure you're using the exact Excel file provided with this video. Now let's check whether the dashboard is dynamic. I'll make a selection and check the dashboard. The dashboard is fully dynamic. The dashboard elements update automatically based on the selected data. Now let's check the pivot sheet. As you can see, the pivot tables are properly arranged with clear headers, alignment, formatting, and colors. Let's take a quick look at the complete dashboard. We have professional header and alignment, matching color theme, 6 KPI cards, 5 charts, 3 slicers, 9 pivot tables. Everything is created automatically with just one button click. So, that's the complete sales dashboard generated using Grok AI and VBA. Did you get the same result? Let me know in the comments. We hope you got the same professional and dynamic dashboard from this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.